Why do rooms above the garage stay uncomfortable? Rooms above the garage often stay too hot or too cold because the garage is usually unconditioned and has weak insulation, air sealing, or heating and cooling balance. A garage can act like a large outdoor space under the room, allowing heat and cold to pass through the ceiling. During summer, a hot garage roof and warm air can heat the floor above, while winter air can pull warmth away from it. The biggest hidden problem is often air leakage around pipes, wires, ducts, and light fixtures, because small gaps can move a surprising amount of air. Insulation helps slow temperature changes, but it cannot work well when it is thin, badly fitted, or pushed aside. Rooms above garages can also suffer when heating and cooling ducts are too small, poorly insulated, or located in the garage. A closed bedroom door may make the problem worse if the room has no return air path, because conditioned air enters but cannot flow back easily. One lesser-known issue is the garage door itself. Every time it opens, outdoor air rushes in, changing the garage temperature and affecting the room above. A useful check is to compare the room temperature with the rest of the house, inspect the garage ceiling for gaps, and ask a qualified contractor to test air leakage and duct performance before adding more insulation. A common mistake is adding insulation without sealing gaps first, so seal openings around wiring, plumbing, and framing before improving insulation. Another misconception is that a larger heating or cooling unit will fix the room, but an oversized unit may cycle too quickly and leave the space humid, so correct the airflow and insulation first. People also overlook the garage ceiling and focus only on the bedroom walls, so inspect the entire boundary between the garage and living space. Finally, never block vents or cover equipment without professional guidance because poor airflow can create safety and indoor air quality problems. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts or contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.